Hi everybody, I wanted to give you a before garden video. My dog Ellie is on squirrel patrol, so excuse her barking. So one of the things I'm going to be doing is giving myself more room to grow. I want to grow some more squash and pumpkins and climbing things, and so I'm going to be redoing this. But right now I kind of wanted to do a before so I could look back and see the difference. So right here, these are my raised beds, and these I tried to do some cleaning up last year, but the cold came on so fast that the ground froze. Before, like, here's all my sunflowers are still in the ground. I wanted to take like all of these trellises out, and I wasn't able to. So as you can see, here's my winter sowing stuff. I'm happy to see condensation, and if you look in there, I don't know if you can see, can you see in there? There's growth. Isn't that cool? That's pak choy. It just amazes me. This one too, blue scotch curled kale. There's growth in there, but I'm happy to see condensation on here because it has been really dry here. I don't know what's going on because we just haven't got much precipitation at all, but I'm really happy to see condensation on these. We're supposed to get rain tomorrow. I hope we do. I hope we get rain because everything is so dry. So these are my other ones. They look like they're dry, but there's condensation. That's all you have to worry about is the fact that there's condensation on there. Cauliflower has sprouted. Cool. That's really cool. So next year I think I'm going to keep this garden to tomatoes and peppers, zucchini, potatoes, and onions. That's all that's going to be in this garden. These trellises are going to come down. I'm going to use these trellises elsewhere. But like I said, the ground is so frozen, I just was not able to pull them out of the ground. I mean, I still have Christmas decorations here. Last time I tried to pull them out of the ground is frozen. Yeah, I can't get them out. Still can't get them out. So I did manage to plant some garlic. This from here over is Russian giant, and then from here to here is German red. We did have some sprouts. Here's a sprout here that came up in the fall, and I've heard that that's normal. So I'm really looking forward to getting some garlic growing. I've never grown garlic before. It's exciting. I really like to grow onions, but garlic sounds good. So that's pretty much all that's going on. I'm just thrilled. You know, this is doing really well. This is win-win choy. Cauliflower, pak choy, kale, chard is not up, but the pak choy is. So I hope we don't get any more really bad frost. The nights are still in the teens. So what I'm going to do here in here is I'm gonna lay a bunch of mulch in here so I don't have to mow in there anymore. Then this whole area, turn you around, this whole area here from my greenhouse over here to the garden bed, from up by the back door there all the way over to the fence over there by the corner of the gardens it's all going to be earth garden. And I'm going to do some hog panels, trellises, and I'm going to have pumpkins and squash, and I'm going to do some corn, sweet corn, and so it's about 20 by 20. That should be really fun to do all that stuff. So that'll give me a lot more room to grow. I had a community garden plot this year and it was just too much work. It really was too much work because I had to carry everything out there and then do the work, and then it was just bad soil and I didn't want to haul in dirt. And so this year I'm going to have my community garden plot here, so hopefully I can get all these Christmas decorations up. I can't believe they're so frozen in the soil. So the birds have really returned. I saw a robin a couple weeks ago, but oh, there's one right there. I don't know if you can see it up in the tree. Yeah, but they're not doing their normal song, because I noticed in the morning, normally the robins are the first ones to sing, and they haven't been doing their normal song. Red-winged blackbirds have really been singing. House finches have really been singing. So I think spring may come, although it's supposed to get in the teens tonight. So hope you enjoyed this short little garden tour, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.